Now we're going to talk about the reading settings in your WordPress site. Should have already covered the general settings and the writing settings. Once you're logged into your dashboard, scroll on down to Settings, Reading. It's a very short section. First thing you're going to notice is the front page displays and various options for that. Typically with the WordPress installation you have your various pages, static HTML page or static pages, and then you will have your blog roll page typically set as your home page. So somebody, for example, with inforets.com, somebody goes directly to inforets.com, they are going to land on my blog roll page, which shows the most recent post I posted in chronological order from newest to oldest. As you can see, I have a sticky post, which means this post here stays at top all the time, just like a sticky note would. And then I have 4 summaries of my most recent posts underneath that. I set how many of those posts show up on that page right here. Blog page show at most 4. By default it's set to 10. Some people opt just to have a sticky post and set that to 1 or 0. But you can have as many there as you want, and that'll show a summary or all your posts on the front page. You can also set up your main landing page, for example inforets.com, to land at one of your static pages, and that would be any one of the pages you set up, like the About Us, Contact Us directory. I could then set one of these pages up as kind of the blog roll for my website, and actually set up a different page for my blog roll. So those are some options you have, but by default I keep my latest post up front, summarize them, and if you read the instructions on posting a new post, I show you the options where you can do a more tag, which allows you just to show the summary on the front page, or when somebody searches directory or tags, but when they actually go to the post they can review and read the entire article. Syndication feeds, that's your /RSS/feed RSS feeds that you can post out to various syndication groups. How many you would like to show on your /RSS page is up to you. Typically it's 10. I leave it as so. And then, like I mentioned about summaries in your posts, you can also set up for each article in a feed whether you show the full text or the full article, the entire post, or just a summary of it. I'll take a clipping of the first half or the first paragraph of the post. The next thing you'll see is the encoding for pages. We'll go to Windows 7 Basic. I'm running this video capture program. Encoding for pages and feeds, typically UTF-8 is the standard. That's Unicode transfer format, 8-bit, I believe, something to that effect. Basically what this is encoding. So when you textually type an A or a 1 or a symbol on your keyboard, the UTF, or the encoding, the character encoding, transfers that into a transferable bit, and then extrapolates it and makes it into whatever character you typed. Well, with UTF-8 and majority of the encoding character sets out there, you type an A, it turns it into an A on the other end. UTF-8 is recognized by every browser out there. If a browser doesn't recognize the UTF-8, that browser is not going to be in business very long. UTF-8 is used in majority of email transfer protocols, web browsers, like I said, with websites, and is also reverse compatible with ASCII, basic text language for computers. And that pretty much covers it. So once you set your settings in the reading panel, you just save your changes, and you're good to go.